Protein is highly beneficial for our bodies. Proteins operate as enzymes in chemical reactions, repair and build muscular tissue, transport chemicals, regulate hormones, and provide a variety of other functions inside our bodies. Our system needs dietary protein, and it's crucial for our well-being. However, eating adequate protein every day might be difficult, especially if you have dietary limitations or rely on fast food. In this video, we'll explore the 11 foods that can provide you with 100 grams of protein each day. Eating a decent amount of protein might also be difficult if you don't know what the daily required amount looks like. Everyone's protein needs vary, but for the most part, 100 grams a day is a good target. Active people may require more, whereas less active people may require less. Although the recommended dietary allowance, RDA, for protein is 0.8 grams per kilogram of body weight, certain diets may require you to consume more protein than that. Low-carbohydrate diets and ketogenic diets are examples. 100 grams of protein can be obtained from eggs, cheese, beans, poultry, pork, nuts, shellfish, seeds, and soy products. Although these protein sources are nutritious, most should be consumed in moderation. Also, some protein sources are better than others. Fatty fish are high in protein and contain beneficial fatty acids. These fatty acids, dubbed omega-3 fatty acids, have been linked to a variety of health benefits. The dietary standards suggest eating approximately 4 ounces of fish per week. At the end of the day, if you're going to eat 100 grams of protein each day, the most important thing is to get it from a variety of sources. Limit your consumption of processed meats, such as bacon or pate, as well as red meat, as these may raise your risk of colon cancer. High protein consumption has various possible health benefits, including increased weight loss, muscle building, and overall wellness. So let's dive straight in with 11 simple strategies to increase your protein intake. Peanut butter. Peanut butter is a tasty, high-protein snack with a creamy texture that goes well with a wide range of items. According to research, peanut butter has various health benefits, including the ability to reduce appetite, enhance fat burning, and lower blood sugar levels. Peanut butter can also be beneficial for firm fruits like apples and pears that are low in protein but high in fiber and antioxidants. Spreading 2 tablespoons, 32 grams, of peanut butter on sliced fruit, for example, can increase the total protein amount by 7 grams. Peanut butter goes great with a variety of other ingredients, such as oats, celery, whole wheat toast, and yogurt. Protein shake. A shake or smoothie can be a terrific breakfast alternative, especially if you choose healthy components. Protein powders make it simple to construct a high-protein shake that's also healthy. There are various forms of protein available on the market, including whey, soy, eggs, and pea protein. Whey protein powder has received the most attention and appears to have an advantage over the others when it comes to making you feel full. In reality, 1 scoop, 28 grams of whey powder contains about 17 grams of protein. Here's a simple whey shake recipe for you. Take 8 ounces, 225 grams of unsweetened almond milk, 1 scoop, 28 grams of whey powder, 1 cup, 150 grams of fresh berries, stevia or another healthy sweetener if desired, and a half cup, 70 grams of broken ice. Combine all the ingredients in a blender and process until smooth. Use extra protein powder or add peanut butter, almond butter, flaxseed, or chia seeds to up the protein level even further. Are you looking for an organic vegan protein powder? Well, you can check out Orgain Organic Vegan Protein Powder. Each serving has 170 calories and 21 grams of organic plant-based protein, pea, brown rice, and chia seeds. There is no added sugar and the net carbs are low. This product is vegan, gluten-free, dairy-free, lactose-free, soy-free, kosher, non-GMO, carrageenan-free, and made with no artificial ingredients. It is ideal for a quick breakfast or snack drink. Mix it with water, milk, or your favorite protein shake recipe. You may also use it when baking to add protein and energy to your cakes, muffins, brownies, or cookies. It's great for men, women, and kids who need healthy food on the go. These are great for replacing meals, adding to smoothies, helping muscles recover, and as a post-workout drink. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a high-protein, flexible snack. It's prepared by eliminating whey and other liquids to create a richer, creamier, higher-protein yogurt. Depending on the brand, a 7-ounce, 240-gram meal has 17 to 20 grams of protein. This is about twice the quantity seen in regular yogurt. According to research, Greek yogurt stimulates the production of the gut hormones glucagon like peptide-1, GLP-1, and PYY, which suppress hunger and make you feel full. Also, it includes conjugated leolinic acid, CLA, which has been found in several studies to increase fat loss. Greek yogurt has a tart flavor that complements berries or chopped fruit well. It can also be used as a sour cream alternative in dips, sauces, and other dishes. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is a delicious snack that's also high in protein. A serving of 1 cup, 210 grams, has 23 grams of protein and about 180 calories. According to a study, cottage cheese is just as nourishing and gratifying as eggs. Full-fat variants contain conjugated linoleic acid, CLA, which may promote fat loss and enhance body composition. A study monitored women who ate a high-protein, high-dairy diet while exercising and cutting calories and found they shed more abdominal fat and gained muscle mass than women who consumed modest amounts of protein and dairy. Cottage cheese is tasty on its own. For a quick and easy breakfast, combine it with chopped nuts or seeds, cinnamon, and stevia. Smaller amounts of cottage cheese also make an excellent snack between meals and can be added to fruit salads or smoothies to boost their protein value. Slices of meat. Choosing leaner types of meat and slightly increasing portion sizes can greatly increase the protein value of your meal, and your meal could end up being lower in calories. Compare the nutritional value of these 2 steaks for a 3-ounce, 85-gram serving. T-bone steak, 250 calories and 21 grams of protein. Sirloin steak, 150 calories and 26 grams of protein. Add chopped almonds to the surface of your dish. Almonds. Almonds are very nutrient-dense. Although they are poor in digestible carbohydrates, they're high in monounsaturated fat, fiber, and magnesium. Almonds are a better source of protein than most nuts, since they contain 6 grams of protein in a 1-ounce, 28-gram serving. A serving of almonds also has about 170 calories. Studies suggest that your body only receives about 130 of those calories, since some of the fat isn't digested. Sprinkle a few tablespoons of chopped almonds on top of yogurt, cottage cheese, salads, or cereal to up your protein intake while also adding flavor and crunch. Lean jerky. Lean jerky is a quick and easy way to increase your protein intake. However, it is critical to select a healthy variety. Sugar, preservatives, and other dubious components can be found in many forms of jerky. They're also commonly cooked with subpar meat. Jerky and snack sticks made from grass-fed cattle, bison, and other free-range animals are available. Choosing grass-fed jerky will deliver superior quality meat with higher levels of beneficial omega-3 fatty acids. The protein content of lean jerkies or snack sticks is approximately 9 grams per ounce, 28 grams. They may typically be stored without refrigeration for several months and are highly portable and suitable for travel. Consume edamame. Edamame is the name given to unripened, steamed soybeans. Soybeans are popular among vegetarians and vegans because they provide more protein than other legumes. 1 cup, 155 grams, of edamame has over 20 grams of protein and around 190 calories. Edamame is also high in camphorol, an antioxidant. According to mice studies, it may lower blood sugar and aid in weight loss. Edamame is available fresh or frozen and makes an excellent snack. Stir-fries, salads, stews, and rice dishes can all benefit from it. Canned and fresh fish. Canned or fresh fish is an excellent way to increase your protein consumption. Canned fish does not need to be refrigerated, making it ideal for travel. It can also be eaten as a snack or as part of a meal. Fresh fish, on the other hand, must be refrigerated and cooked before serving. A 3-ounce, 100-gram serving of canned salmon has around 20 grams of protein and only 90 calories. Fatty fish, for example, mackerel, salmon, herring, tuna, and sardines, are also high in omega-3 fatty acids, which can help fight inflammation and enhance heart health. You may serve canned fish in a variety of ways, including with healthy mayo, on top of a salad, eaten straight from the can, or added to omelets or pasta dishes. Eggs as a substitute for cereal. Many breakfast meals, such as toast, bagels, and cereals, are low in protein. Although oatmeal includes more protein than most cereals, a normal cup, 240-gram serving, only comprises roughly 5 grams. 3 big eggs have 19 grams of high-quality protein and important minerals, including choline and selenium. Furthermore, multiple studies have shown that eating eggs for breakfast suppresses hunger and keeps you full for several hours, resulting in fewer calories consumed later in the day. In another study, eating whole eggs can also change the size and form of your LDL, bad cholesterol particles, potentially lowering your risk of heart disease. Fast snacks. Snacks can help you get more protein into your diet if you choose healthy options. Many popular snacks such as chips, pretzels, and crackers are extremely low in protein. A 1-cup, 30-gram meal of plain tortilla chips, for example, offers 142 calories but only 2 grams of protein. A 1-ounce, 28-gram serving of cheddar cheese, on the other hand, has 7 grams of protein, approximately 30 fewer calories, and 6 times the calcium. Furthermore, even in people with high cholesterol, cheese does not appear to raise cholesterol levels significantly. In fact, several studies suggest that cheese may even be good for your heart. Try a cheese stick between meals, or pair your favorite type of cheese with whole grain crackers, tomatoes, or sliced apples for a nutritious and filling snack. Although getting enough protein each day could be challenging, we can change our diet plan to consume 100 grams of protein per day just by tweaking our diet. Let's keep the conversation going with a few protein-rich videos, shall we? Watch 20 foods high in protein that you should be eating, or 11 high-protein vegetables you have to eat. Go ahead and click one, or better yet, watch both videos to learn more about some protein-rich diets. Will you add any of our suggestions to your diet? Let us know in the comments below.